Walker, where are you?
Right here.
What are you doing? What do you want me to do?
Stop. No.
Okay, do you want me to close the door? Say close the door.
Close the door.
Okay, get your feet in there. Are you getting cramped?
I'm getting cramped.
Do you want out?
No.
What should we do?
I am here.
You want me to knock?
Papa!
You want me?
No.
Hiding. Close the door then.
What are you hiding from?
See you later. Is anybody home? Where are you at? I don't think he's home. There he is! What are you doing? Are you done?
No, not till done.
How long are you going to stay in there? Are you going to spend the night in there? Are you going to spend the night?
Look at my toe.
What's wrong with your toes?
There got hole.
There's a hole in your sock? I see your big piggy toe. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it.
Close the door again.
Again?
Again.
Okay, well you're not really in there. The door's not gonna close. Are you getting cramped up?
Come out and stretch and then go in again.
Oh,
Stretch.
Stretch big.
Stretch your arms above your head. Oh.
There you go.
Better in here.
Hello? What you doing in there?
Hiding.
Who are you hiding from? Are you hiding from Auntie Karen? Who are you hiding from? He just gave me the stink eye.
Close the door.
Okay, it's closed. What are you doing in there? Could you do this all day long?
Here I am.
Oh, you're so funny. What have you been doing in there? Oh. Are you done?
Here I
We found you. Give me 5.
am.
All right. Mwah. Got you.
I get you down
Hey,
here.
Walker, say Merry Christmas.
Merry
Wait, I couldn't hear you. Say it. Watch out for your fingers.
Close the door.
It doesn't close because you're sticking out. Okay, say goodbye.
Bye.
Wave and say goodbye.
Bye.